your views on gold for the week ahead. Thank you, Ash.
No problem.
Thanks, Ash. Aha, gold. Now that's been an interesting week, hasn't it? We have certainly had an interesting week. Let's have a look. Let me pull up this chart here. Let's go back to this box that we've been talking about continually for, I don't know, a couple of months now, because all we have here is we've got a double bottom that gold formed, bounced off almost in a textbook fashion, came up and into the box. And at the beginning, I think it was last Sunday, we were talking about, okay, it finished, it was at the top of the box, what's it going to do? We had a breakout, and when I had the breakout, I was really, really suspicious of the movement on it, the nature of that move, and then it stalled. And it was, look, as everybody knows who follows this show, I'm waiting for it to do something, go somewhere, do something. But I've got to say, I was watching it intently, and I had the time to watch it because I had my daughters at the Sydney Royal Easter Show, and they were having their stomachs thrown around on several rides. And I was watching, and I'm just thinking, this is not going any higher. I brought it down to a 1 hourly chart, and it's like, I think I posted on our broadcast group, just wait. We've got to wait. We've got to see if this is a false breakout. And sure enough, it came back down, straight back into the middle of the box, had a little look around. I'll drop it down to an hourly chart. And if anybody knows how I trade, I really don't like to get down to this area. So it was stalling. This is where I was at the Easter show. We were stalling here, and then down she came. 9 a.m. New York time. There we go. The yields eased. Gold popped, only for a short period of time. And then look where we finished. We've finished on the top of the box again. So being careful and not getting excited about a market that is not trending and just sitting and being patient is going to make sure you keep your money in your back pocket. It's going to preserve your capital. I know we all like to jump on something that's moving. However, that opportunity was not there. It's been quite delicate with how it's been moving, and we've been following this box in hope that it'll actually go somewhere. We've had nowhere to go. Furthermore, on a daily basis, and I'll just open that up a bit more so you can see that a little clearer, is we came straight up and clipped the 50 moving average. And with gold, we've talked continually about how gold likes levels, and gold clipped the 50 EMA, and that also, it came straight back down, hit the 100 on the 4 hourly chart. It hit the 100 moving EMA, 100 moving average there, exponential moving average, and bounced. But that was also in line with the fundamental side, to which it's being sensitive, of the yields rate, bond yields rate easing. Sorry, that's a mouthful there. Where we go to next, that's where we've been, that's where we're at. Where to next? I have to wait. I'm looking at, if you go to my weekly chart with this massive bull flag that has given me a double bottom, it's given me a bounce. Do we get up that high? I don't know at the moment. I do not know. There are so many cogs in the wheel at the moment with interest rate, inflation. Do we go down, as Ash suggested, do we go to 1550? Personally, I don't think so. Where we're at the moment is something that's been static, and it's holding its balance through quite a bit that's going on with the US dollar. Okay, so everything that's happened in the US dollar, with the US dollar, we're static. We're static in this ridiculous box, and we just haven't gone very far out of it in either direction, have we? So we're back here. What do? We need more information. Is that a trend? No, it's certainly not. Is it we're ranging? I'm not a range trader. I'm holding on for dear life as far as being patient and just waiting to see which market it goes, in which direction this market goes, because we all love a good trend. And I'm the first one to say I love to get on a trend, scale in and leverage it up to the eyeballs. But at the moment, I cannot do that. Haven't been able to do it for some months, and it's just the way trading goes sometimes, guys. So really sorry, I haven't got anything fantastic to say. For this, I just need to wait. I need more information. What is going to happen with the US dollar? Is it going to come off? Is it only going to come for a short period of time? Are the yields rates going to increase, or are they going to wobble and come back down again? Is the inflation story going to, the packages that are being presented to getting the economies going post-pandemic, so much information that you need to build into. And is the money going into a traditional safe haven such as gold, or is it going somewhere else? I've got so many things that we need to process to be able to get really good traction, not just commercial. I need to understand what is happening with the fundamentals behind it at the moment, and that's gold at the moment. It's not giving me anything to go on. Thanks, Paul.
Ainslie, thank you very much for that. Thank you for the